Good evening.
Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening. Okay. Next topic is family health service. Family health service. Family health service are the central point of health service. It is an important component of health for all goal, and health of each individual affect the health of other member of the family. That is the family health service. Okay. Family health service are the central point of health service. It is an important component of health for all goal, and health of each individual affect the health of other member of family. Okay. In one family, healthcare means each member we want to take the care. That is the family health service. Okay, in that service, first one is the maternal health care or service. Maternal health service. Maternal health care include care of woman during pregnancy, childbirth, and after childbirth. It is also include the treatment of childless couples. Okay, that is the maternal health care. Maternal health care should include a care of woman during pregnancy, childbirth, and after childbirth. It is also included the treatment of childless couple. And maternal health care component. It means maternal health care component include antenatal care, neonatal care, postnatal care. In antenatal care is care during pregnancy. Objectives of antenatal. Okay, in during pregnancy, we are giving to that mother. It means pregnant woman. That is the antenatal care. To promote, protect, and maintain health of mother during pregnancy. To promote, protect, and maintain health of mother during pregnancy, and to ensure the birth of mature and healthy baby, and to identify high-risk mother and give them appropriate attention to prevent complication, and to prepare the mother for confinement, and to prepare the mother for care for her baby. Okay, that is the antenatal care. Means she is carrying one baby means we want to take care to that woman. We want to give the all support to woman. Otherwise, we are not supporting means it maybe it will affect the baby only. Not maybe, surely it will affect the baby. Okay, that's why what is the risk in that time for that mother? It means any type of the disease in pregnant time. Any type of disease means BP, sugar. Okay, anything is there means take care. Otherwise, it's very dangerous. Okay, that is the antenatal care. Next, essential antenatal care service. Registration of pregnant woman. The mother must register within 12 weeks of pregnancy. Okay, in anybody pregnant means we want to register the name in community health center. That is very, very important. And antenatal visit. And a community health nurse, one antenatal mother is there means she want to visit the home. It means ideally the mother should attend the antenatal clinic once a month, and during the first 7 months, twice a month, during the second month, and thereafter one a week if everything is normal. Okay, it means antenatal visit means our community health nurse means she want to visit regularly in the antenatal mother house. And another thing means antenatal care. It means she want that pregnant woman want to go hospital first time weekly, second means otherwise monthly 2 week she want to visit the hospital. Okay, and care during first contact, taking health history, physical examination, general medical examination, obstetrical examination, laboratory examination. It means in first contact, doctor will do health history. Okay, in your house, anybody having any type of disease, and any BP, any sugar, anything. Okay, that is the health history. And the physical examination, BP, all will check. And the general medical examination. Okay, and the obstetrical examination means gynec side examination will done. And it means USG scanning and that one. And the laboratory examination, blood test. Okay, that is the next. Next, immunization against tetanus. In tetanus class, I am already told in pregnant women will take the tetanus vaccine. Yes or no? Remembering?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
Immunization
Yes, ma'am.
against tetanus. In second dose, immunization against tetanus. In second dose of the tetanus toxoid should be given first dose at the 6 to 20 weeks and second dose at the 20 to 24 weeks. Okay, 3 times want to take the tetanus. Understand? First dose, confirming date means today I'm checking pregnancy positive means that day only first test you want to take it. And tetanus toxoid should be given first dose at 12 to okay, anytime it means within 20 to 24 we want to take the second dose. It means third dose either, but they are mentioning only 2 doses, but actually third dose is there. Okay. And iron and folic acid tablet. Mother is given 1 tablet for iron and 1 tablet folic acid twice a day of at least 100 days to prevent the anemia in mother to promote the proper growth of fetus. Okay, in a pregnant woman, they are eating no iron and folic acid. It means as a good for fetus only. It means a baby. Okay, and health education during pregnancy, diet during pregnancy. A well-balanced diet is required during pregnancy for the proper growth and development of fetus for optimum health of mother. A pregnant woman should be educated regarding the personal hygiene. Okay. Next is smoking and drinking. Mother should be advised to avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. It leads to low birth weight and retardation. Anyway, women are not smoking and drinking, but in Western countries, so many countries, they are drinking and smoking. And a drug, the mother should be advised not to take any medicine unless the prescribed by the doctor. Okay. In pregnant time, don't take unnecessary medicine. Any medicine prescribed the doctor only you should take it. Okay, at least Dolo also. And radiation, the mother should be advised to avoid abdominal X-ray and predisposes child to the risk of leukemia and other cancer. It means in pregnant time, avoid the X-ray. It means radiation only. Okay, it will affect the fetus anytime and affect and leukemia and cancer. And a reporting of an untoward signs or symptom, the mother should instructed to report the health person if there is usual pain, bleeding from vagina, swelling in the feet, hand or face, headache, blood division, dizziness, high fever, baby, movement not being felt. It means in pregnant time, each time we want to listen the mother only. It means anything happening suddenly, it will affect the fetus only. It means any fetus movement, the abdomen. Okay, movement we want to listen. After the 6 months, fetus nicely will movement from there to entertaining to head to toe. Okay, that I listen the sound. Understand? Then any type of anything feelings, it means not swelling and bleeding, anything is there means should inform to go to mother, inform to go hospital. And child care, the mother should be educated on various aspects of child care. Follow-up visit, mother must be educated about the need of regular visit and proper care during pregnancy. She should want to go hospital regularly and want to do checkup regularly. Okay. Next, family planning. When the mother pregnant, she is more respective because she experiences the impact and the burden of the childbirth. The mother should be educated and motivated for a small family home and spacing for children. Family planning. And it means all of know what is family planning. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
When
Yes,
the
ma'am.
mother, it means suddenly now delivered mother, after going home, within 6 months, again pregnant happening means what will happen? That is danger for first baby and mother health also. Okay, that's why want to teach the mother after delivery about the family planning. That is good health education. It means suddenly again pregnant means very difficult to first child and woman. It means body health also. That is not good. Okay. After 2 years, 3 years means okay. It is after 1 year also okay. But that is not good. But that we should want to teach the about the family plan. Okay. This is the antenatal care. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one is the neonatal care. Natal care refers care during confirmation, delivery, birth of a child. The objective of natal care to prevent infection, prevent injury to both the mother and baby, to detect and deal with any complication, example, antepartum and postpartum hemorrhage, prolonged labor, malpresentation, prolapse code, and to resuscitate the baby and to provide immediate care to baby. Natal care means sudden delivery, you want to take so much care to that baby. Okay, that is the natal labor room. Here doing in labor room staff means suddenly baby coming now. That time we want to whatever so many procedure is there. In that baby in nose full mucus. It means he is living in the abdomen. In that inside the abdomen, so many fluid and blood and so many is there. That full delivery time also, it full body full that only. In mucus secretion is there. We want to do the mucus secretion. It means that up to in abdomen inside baby breathing in the mother breath only. It means from umbilical cord. Suddenly baby coming outside means he want to breathe from earth. It means our but we are breathing same. He and he also want to breathe now. That's why we want to give the way to breathe. It means his nose full. Wait. Okay, no, so full circulation will come. That's we want to suddenly want to take the inside is going. He can't take breath means we want to do the suction. Nasogastric tube is there. This want to put and suck the all secretion. Then only that baby breathe and then only that baby will cry. Okay, crying after only we want to know that his baby is normal. Otherwise, anything will happen. That is the very important care in labor room. That is the neonatal care to prevent it. Next one is to prevent the infection. It means so many contaminated articles is there in the hospital. Okay, we are also unsterilely, we are touching the baby means infection will come. Same time mother also. Okay, prevent the injury to both the mother and sometimes so many articles is there in the labor room. It will touching means injury will come. That also very important. We want to care the injury, and it will detect the deal with any complication. Example, antepartum and postpartum hemorrhage. It means before delivery, anything happening. Antepartum hemorrhage, postpartum hemorrhage, prolonged delivery. It means that mother can't deliver fastly. Taking time means what will happen? Hemorrhage will come. That's it. Baby will die. Okay, that is prolonged labor and malpresentation and prolapse cord. Cord prolapse means umbilical cord is there. Maybe sometimes baby is doing a surrounding means that umbilical cord is rounding in baby's neck. So that problem will come. Okay, that also we want to detect and deal with the complication. And it will resuscitate the baby to provide immediate care to that. That is the one procedure, immediate care. That within 10 minutes, we want to give all care to the baby. That is only where the labor room staff is there. They are very experienced and all things. We don't know. In a labor room staff, know very well what is the postnatal care, what is the natal care. Without knowing anybody entering the labor room means we don't know. Correct now? Because that is very carefully want to give the care. Understand? Natal care.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In postnatal care, it refers to care with the rendered to both the mother and the baby after death. That is the postnatal care. It means now antenatal finish. Natal means sudden delivery, that baby care. Next, postnatal care. It means baby and mother. Okay. It is referred to care which is rendered to both the mother and the baby after delivery, to restore, promote, maintain health of mother and baby, to promote breastfeeding, to prevent complication, to establish good nutrition of the baby, to prevent infection and identify the health problem, disorder in the baby, to support and strengthen the parents' confidence and their role with their family and cultural environment, to motivate to plant and a small family, to educate a mother and family on a various aspects of mother and child care. That is the postnatal care. After delivery, so many mother not willing to give a breastfeeding. It means sometimes afraid. Okay, that time we want to advise the mother and to tell to them to give the breastfeeding. Just we want to provide the nutrition food to baby. That a breast milk only the nutrition food. Next, we want to give the support and the strength to parents also. And we want to educate about the family planning. And we want to educate the mother how to look, how to carry the baby, how to give the breastfeeding. Okay, that all we only want to teach them. Understand? Okay, balance.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Up to here, understood. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No doubt.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Your students.
Yes. My students. What happened?
Nothing. Finish. One topic.
Oh, you telling 5 minutes late and coming, you're taking 40 minutes.
Only 46.
Good, na?
Eh?
Yeah, here.
Ah. Your Nandini ma'am. Students.